Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan and this time I have taken the chapter Packing by Jerome K. Jerome. So the chapter Packing is taken from the novel Three Men in a Boat written by Jerome K. Jerome. The story is about the art of packing. The chapter is about a humorous incident which happened when the narrator and his other two friends were packing for a boat trip. Characters are here. Jerome is the narrator. Harris is a friend of the narrator who irritates him by raising his legs on the table when the narrator was packing the bag. Jerome, George, another friend of the narrator who sat on a chair while the narrator was packing the bag, and Montmorency is a pet dog here. So let's start the chapter. The narrator was going on a trip with his friends George and Harris. He told them that he would do the packing, then accepted his office and offer and relaxed while he packed the bag. So the narrator's real intention was to supervise his friends in packing. He wanted to teach his friends how to pack. However, they misinterpreted him and they allowed him to pack. The narrator started packing. It took him a bit longer than he had expected. He packed the bag, forgot to put the boots inside, so he had to reopen the bag and put them in. He forgot whether he had put his toothbrush or not, because he always would forget to put his toothbrush there. So he was doing that. Then George asked the narrator whether he had packed the soap or not. The narrator got extremely angry hearing this, and as he had already opened and packed the bag a few times, so George and Harris took the task of completing the rest of the packing. So here you can see properly they have just things scattered here and there in a very improper way. So this is the situation, and then here is also. So George and Harris commit a lot of mistakes while they pack. They broke cups, put things behind them, and couldn't find them when they needed them. So they packed heavy things on the top of light things and stepped on things. So here Montmorency was also here, and he was also doing mischievous activities. So it was also irritating, and he went into the hamper and attacked three lemons thinking them to be rats. He was shooed away by Harris. See here. Then finally the packing was done, and it was very late in the night at 12:50 a.m. and the three friends were very tired and they decided to sleep. Before sleeping, they had an argument about when to wake up in the morning. So this is about the chapter that they had done their packing in a very improper way, and after that they were confused and they suffered a lot. They had wasted their time, and this was not in a proper way. So this is all about this. Thank you and Jai Hind.